does Bellwether stay current with industry trends and the needs of homeowners in today's market, especially here in Colorado? Well, we stay curious and we stay hungry. Our team is always looking ahead and not just at trends, but at what actually delivers value to homeowners. We invest in ongoing education and participate in regular training through our membership with the Certified Contractors Network, which helps us refine our processes, sharpen our skills, and benchmark against other top-performing companies in the country. We also work closely with the product manufacturers to stay ahead of innovations in materials and installation practices. That collaboration means we're often the first to know what's coming and how to deliver it well. But beyond the industry side of things, we take being a bellwether seriously. The word means a leader and guide. And we live into that by staying attuned to the unique needs of Colorado homeowners. Whether that's fire resistance in mountain communities, better insulation for extreme temperatures, or thoughtful design that reflects how people want their homes to feel. We listen carefully to our customers. We study the market, and we maintain a growth mindset at every level of the business. We're here to lead, not follow. And we do that by staying informed, adaptive, and grounded in what really matters: performance, durability, and design that stands for the test of time.